the truth about normal lab results that still miss disease. You go in, get your blood drawn, wait a few days, and then the results come back. Everything says normal. It's almost automatic. You feel relieved before you even fully read it. Normal sounds like everything is fine. Like nothing is wrong. What normal actually means, but then you start thinking about what normal really is. Those ranges are not based on you as an individual. They're based on averages across large groups of people. So normal doesn't always mean optimal. It just means you fall within a range that is considered typical. That difference is easy to miss, but it matters more than it seems. The space between normal and optimal. There's a range where your results are technically normal, but not necessarily ideal for your body. You might feel low energy or have trouble focusing, or notice small changes that don't match how you expect to feel. And yet, the lab results don't reflect that. This creates a gap between how you feel and what the numbers say, a situation that feels familiar. I've seen this happen where someone gets normal results but still feels off. Not sick enough for something obvious, but not well enough to feel right. And it becomes confusing because if the results are normal, then what explains how they feel? That question doesn't always have a clear answer. Biomarkers can shift slowly over time before crossing into abnormal ranges. During that period, everything still appears normal on paper, but the underlying process may already be starting. The limits of single snapshots. A lab test gives you one moment in time. It does not show trends, patterns, or how things are evolving. If something is slowly changing, that one result might not reflect it. This is why repeated measurements over time can reveal more than a single reading, how interpretation affects understanding. Lab results are also interpreted within a clinical context. Doctors look at symptoms, history, and other factors alongside the numbers. Without that context, the results can feel more definitive than they actually are. Why this can feel frustrating? It can be frustrating to feel something is off, while being told everything looks normal. It creates uncertainty because there is no clear explanation, and that uncertainty can make it harder to know what to do next. Instead of seeing lab results as final answers, it may be more useful to see them as part of a larger picture. They provide information, but not the entire story. Paying attention to patterns, changes over time, and how you actually feel can give a more complete understanding. Final thoughts. They show where you fall within a range, not necessarily what is best for you. And once you start noticing that difference, it becomes easier to understand why normal does not always mean everything is fully working the way it should. Thanks for watching.